In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a physics internal assessment graph in Google Sheets on desktop. Let's get started on building a clear, professional-looking graph for your physics project. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Sheet file where you've entered all your experimental data. Make sure the data is organized with clear column headers, as this helps in understanding and analyzing the information easily. These headers will serve as labels for the data column below, indicating what each piece of data represents. Next, carefully select the data range you wish to plot. Remember, this should include both your independent and dependent variables. Typically, these will be in separate columns, and it's important to select all relevant cells that pertain to the experiment you conducted. Ensuring correct data selection is crucial for accurate representation in your graph. Once your data is highlighted, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Chart. This action will bring up the chart editor on the right side of your screen, which houses various options for chart customization. Within the chart editor, take a moment to decide on the best chart type for your physics IA. Generally, a scatter chart is most appropriate for physics projects. It effectively showcases relationships between variables and allows for easy identification of trends, which is often what you need in such assessments. After choosing your chart type, it's time to label your axes. This is a critical step as it provides context to the data presented. To do this, go into the Customize tab within the chart editor and select Chart and Axis Titles. Here, you'll enter the names of the variables in their respective sections, such as the x-axis and y-axis, and don't forget to include the units. This not only clarifies the information, but also enhances the professionalism of your graph. Now let's fine-tune your graph for clarity. Under the Customize tab, you can adjust the scale and grid lines to better fit your data's range and density. This ensures that your data points are neither too cramped nor too sparse, facilitating easier interpretation. Lastly, consider adding a trend line to your graph to highlight the correlation and trends within your data. By returning to the Customize tab, navigate to the Series section and then select Trend Line. Here, you can choose the type of trend line that best suits your data, whether it's linear, polynomial, or another format. This feature is particularly useful in demonstrating the underlying trends more clearly. And that's it. You've successfully created a comprehensive physics internal assessment graph using Google Sheets on your desktop. With these visuals, your data not only becomes easier to understand, but also more impactful and persuasive. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your assessment.